are the Keen Student Council.
We are here to help make our school a kind, safe, and happy place for everyone.
Kindness means caring, helping, and including others.
And today we want to share what kindness looks like at our school and in our world.
Let's talk about kindness.
One way student council can help everyone feel welcomed and included is by when there's like a new student, we can like give them a tour around the playground or the track, or introduce them to our friends.
Student council could show kindness by helping out the staffs, the teachers, and the people that work in our school.
Our student council can stop the bullies and kids will feel more welcome and help new students.
As a student council member, I should hope they feel welcome, show them around the school, helping them, making sure they know where the school is, where everything's at, knowing the teachers.
The student council can do fun activities that they like.
A small act of kindness can help you if somebody's new. You can give them a tour or anything. You can introduce them to all of your friends, new friends, or you can show them to your class, where you sit, what do you do, and how is school every day.
I think kindness can make our school a better place to learn because you'll be able to learn and not think about distractions. By not getting distracted, you don't have to think about anything else that's happening outside of learning.
A small act of kindness is a lot for the school community and can make a difference.
Students can show kindness in the classroom by not talking back, not talking while the teacher's talking, not yelling or making loud sounds, and cleaning up after themselves.
Students can show kindness in the classroom by respecting each other's desk.
People can show kindness in the classroom. If somebody dropped their water bottle or something, you can go pick it up and help them.
When the little small things of kindness happen, it just makes them a little more friendly, nicer.
Kindness can make someone feel better.
If they're having a bad day, you can come up to them, say, how are you okay, and everything. If they say no, you can just tell the teacher, and then that can make their day, or you can help them.
Being kind can help our school better by making it safe. Everybody can learn without any worries. It makes people like school better and have fun with friends.
Thank you for listening to our ideas about kindness.
We believe that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference.
Kindness could be sharing, helping, listening, or standing up for others.
As a community school, we are all connected.
And together, we can make our school a better place.
Let's choose kindness every day.